Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my first episode of Baker Caris, your friendly neighbourhood baker showing you the baking ways. So, how would you like to make cookies like these? Well, you can do that following this easy recipe. Ingredients: 75 grams of white sugar, 75 grams of light brown sugar, 100 grams of slightly salted or salted butter, a big dollop of vanilla essence, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg, and about 230-40 grams of self-raising flour. Oh yeah, and 200 grams of nice milk chocolate. If you're feeling poor, you can go for the dairy milk. If you've got some dollar to splash, I would whip out your wallet and go for some green and blacks, because that shit is soft and stays melted for ages. It's just good. But anyway, lay your ingredients out in front of you. Turn your oven onto 180 degrees fan, or find the American equivalent. I'm not going to do that for you. In a bowl, place your 75 grams of white sugar, 75 grams of light brown sugar, and 100 grams of salted butter. Whiz it together with the whizzer until it's creamy. After that, add your 1 egg, as much vanilla as you wish, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and whiz that all in. Now you'll have a slightly more liquidy cream. After that, measure out 230 grams of self-raising flour. Pour half of it into the bowl with your mixture and whiz it together. Then take your whizzer out and mix in the other half of the flour using a wooden spoon. After this, chop up your chocolate. You can chop the pieces into halves or thirds, or a mixture, however you would prefer. Lump them into your cookie dough and sort of spread them around a bit, mix it together with your hands and fingers. Then put some baking paper on a tray. Put the dollops of your dough onto the baking paper, squish them down with your hand until you have as many cookies as you would wish. I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. Then stick them in your oven for 10 minutes, possibly 11, depends how golden you like your cookies. When they're sort of still white but slightly golden, take them out of the oven, leave them to cool, and there you have it, cookies. These cookies are great. They can be used for making friends. I made you a little something, Josie.
Oh, lovely.
They can be used for developing relationships with your sister. Dora, I made you a little something.
Yeah, Caris, I said I'll buy you alcohol.
I even used this recipe to get myself a boyfriend last year. The results were moderately satisfactory. Please share this recipe with anybody struggling to find friends and maintain relationships. They really are the best for that. Enjoy! Don't eat too many or you will die. Thank you for watching. My video about boobs will be out shortly. I just haven't got round to editing it yet.